Hello, myself Dr. Ashish Agrawat. I am working as an assistant professor in biochemistry department at BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. Just 3 months back, I attended international conference at Rome regarding laboratory issue in Mediterranean areas, where I learned about the CRISPR technology. I heard about that on a first time. I come to know about how this CRISPR technology can be used for the diagnostic purpose, like any Zika virus or any HIV virus can be detected within minutes with the help of nanotechnology. So when I come to know about this workshop, and as I have tremendous interest in the molecular biology, so I want to learn about how genetic engineering can help. So as a doctor, I know the importance of CRISPR Cas9, that is the future of our generation. Like we can treat any disease, we can make superhuman, we can diagnose any disease in very few times, we can use as a pharmacogenomics also, and drugs can be effectively delivered with the help of CRISPR Cas9. So this is the future, and I attended this conference and I learned very much. The faculties are very much verge of their knowledge. Vanda madam has effectively solved all our issues, like even simple queries to the very high-fi issues were delivered. So I am very much satisfied, and when I will go back to my college, it has changed my thought process. All over my knowledge has been improved, and I have much now curiosity to learn about next generation sequencing also, so that I will make the students of my college aware of these technologies and develop their mind for the research, and also to my colleagues. And I thanks to the organizer for arranging such a nice event. Thank you.
Myself Sujit, and I am from Ranchi. I have completed my post-graduation recently. I have came to know about BioDiscovery through a website. So I have heard about that it is a very good institution for getting the training. So I opted for the workshop in CRISPR Cas9 technology, and learnt a lot of different tools, how to perform the different tools and select the guide RNA or the target sequence. And the faculty Vanda ma'am taught us very well, and I have learnt a lot from this, and I will surely attend more conference or other things with BioDiscovery. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.